Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again, another episode. Today, I will show you the analysis, basically what happened today, what we did today, which basically you can see that nice flag formation. If you saw my video last night, I was kind of like predicting this drop. I didn't want it for the market to drop, but at the end of the day, I actually took the sale. Um, It was a nice setup for the sell. I was looking for a buy. Okay. The day yesterday, actually, I was looking for a buy right here. My zone, I was drawing a flag like this, and I had it somewhere like that. Okay, that formation, you see the price pushing up, now it's coming back down. So it gave us that breakout right there. So immediately after the breakout, the prices started during the night. Like when I was about to go to sleep, the market was somewhere around here playing around and started to actually kind of like going around. I just saw this losing strength to the upside and I was like, shit, I will close this thing. I closed it. I did cut losses right here because I had my stop loss somewhere around this zone. I was doing this. If you saw my previous video, you will understand that I think the entry was somewhere around there. Take profit was right there. The stop loss was somewhere right there. So I did close it somewhere around here because I was going to sleep. I was going to into Asian session. Then, anyways, when I woke up in the morning, the market was somewhere around here. So it was like almost immediately. As soon as I woke up, I sent the analysis. This thing was no longer valid right here, as was going to happen sometimes. So I sent the analysis to the VIP group. Let me show you right quick here. So you can see here, I sent the analysis. The market was barely like was kind of barely breaking the actual flag right there, and I said, guys, I'm going. I'm sorry, my English right here. A lot of typo right here. So, guys, I'm going to take the risk here on this sale. Look at that. What the heck with this English? Ugly, ugly, ugly. So, anyways, I was saying that I was going to take the risk to actually getting into the sale, and the market did continue immediately, like almost drop. Okay, now I did posted this. This is S&P 500. We're going to see what happened with that one. But anyways, you see why this was a beautiful formation. Market is still going down, and I think it still is going to go down. Now, what are we seeing right now? Let me just delete this alert right there. Okay. So, what are we seeing? What formation are we seeing? Now, what is it form? Is it going to continue dropping? Most likely, yes. This is most likely going to continue. Remember, we gave you this on the daily. Okay, this is US30. Look at that daily candle. Look at that daily candle right there. You got the push, pullback. I was exactly predicting this, guys. You see, this is why I love doing daily videos because you can see what I'm doing, right? So I was predicting this pullback. Now I'm sure this is gonna do something like this and will reach this low, all right, before the price starts actually pushing up, which most likely will create some type of head and shoulder or a reversal pattern or double bottom perhaps in somewhere around this zone, and then we'll start pushing up again, or who knows, it may start consolidating. But this formation right here is telling me the market wants to go down, and we were actually up here when I told you that I was expecting that drop. Look at the entire day drop. So give it a big thumbs up in this video if you would still want me to post daily videos for my analysis, guys, because I know this will help you understand on a bigger time frame, right? Not scalping, but kind of like swing, like maybe intraday, so you can make a decision, right? So I was predicting this drop. The market actually did exactly what I was predicting with US30. Nice drop right there. So what to expect now? What is it forming? Is it going to continue? Yes, it's very possible that after creating this big flag, completing, which is my main, like this is usually my first TP right here at this zone. Right now, I just closed it, okay, because I know I'm reaching a very big zone right here. Very, this is called a demand zone. So I was thinking that the market could have some type of reaction right here. Right now, it's not showing reaction; it's actually melting. Let's see if it's going to end up breaking. I'm going to draw, this is a 4 hour zone. I'm going to draw this zone that I can see right here. It's a nice 4 hour zone. So market could have some type of reaction right there. Yeah, that's actually very, very possible on this 4 hour zone right here. Okay, touch, touch. You see rejections right there. So that's a nice 4 hour zone. Okay, now let's try to draw this thing. Let's see if we could do it on a 4 hour or on a 1 hour. Let's see how it looks the best here. Yeah, perhaps on a 4 hour. I will draw this flag if it's in fact a bullish flag. All right. There's always multiple scenarios, guys. I always do this because I know there could be a buy scenario or a selling scenario, so we have to be ready for everything. So right here, okay, so that's some type of trend right there. Clone it. Okay, so let's say that's our flag. Okay, right now anything could happen. This thing could still continue melting down, and this flag is not valid. Okay, so right now we're just having a pullback. We're seeing two touches on the top. I'm just gonna clone it, paste it on the bottom. Okay, very horizontal lines. Let's see what's gonna happen right here. Okay, this 4 hour zone. Tomorrow is Thursday, right? It's reversal Thursdays. Okay, so price could actually like tonight it might end up falling like this, and then we could have some type of pullback or perhaps some, I don't know, consolidation in this area. Okay, if the market doesn't want to push up very strong, but it's very possible the market could do that. Okay, could fall, push, perhaps, I don't know, play around here before making a decision, actually breaking to the upside, or right here perhaps continuing and, I don't know, and breaking somewhere later, because this could still continue dropping all the way to this zone right here, okay, which is our daily zone. This is our daily support. All right. So that is basically it. That's what I'm kind of predicting. That flag formation right there looks nice. It could be still too early to make a decision, right? Okay. It was a nice sell, beautiful setup. This is basically my TP strategy right there. Let's go to give the example on a 1 hour time frame, and let's look for the TP. All right. So right here, let's see the breakout. I wanna mark down when the breakout happened. It was a little slow at the first time, but right there the market was below the 50% on the RSI, whereas the Ichimoku was kind of like right there on a 1 hour, barely breaking. On the WMA lines, you can see the breakout happening immediately right there. So TP strategy right here, working like clockwork. It's perfect right there on that breakout. Nice setup for the sale today. If you were able to catch it, congratulations, guys. Anyways, that was with US30. Okay, as I'm expecting, as I mentioned, we could have some type of uh, a little drop tonight, and it might have some noise, and we could have the actual movement by the time the London session opens. Let's go S&P 500. This is a big thing I'm also predicting. I don't know if it's going to happen, but again, I want you guys to comment here and let me know what you think. Is this a double top or not? Does this look like a double top to you or not? All right, it's kind of like it's there. It's definitely there. I did not get in on this sale, by the way, on this one. I wanted to get in on the sale. I was just watching it, and I sent the analysis as well to the group. Okay, but this sale right here looks really nice, right? The price broke that trend. It broke it, came back up to retest, and that retest right here is creating that double top. So just like that, what you're seeing right here, this is telling us, hey man, this thing might actually fall, right? I'm pretty sure tomorrow we're gonna have a crash right here on S&P 500. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna get in on a sale. I'm just watching, just for the example. If I like if it was me, where would I make the entry? An early entry right there. But on the trend, Let me show you on how it looked on a 1 hour. It was a nice trend right here. Also, you see price touching, break consolidation, boom, break again. I thought it was going to create some type of bullish flag, but right here it just broke that trend, okay, on a 1 hour. So right now you see a lot of noise right there, but I am pretty sure this thing is going to fall. I don't know. Something is telling me this thing is going to fall, and this is a big ass double top right there. Where can this thing fall? Look how far. I always tell you this. Where's the 50 SMA? Let me change it here. So look how far the 50 SMA is. How far we are from the 50 SMA, okay, on the daily. All right, you see that normally the market pushes up, gets very far away from the 50 SMA, and then boom, comes back down to retest. So pushes up, it woof, pushes up, and comes back down. Pushes up, comes back down. So unless there's something happening, like in China, happened a few days ago. So right now we're very expensive. The market, I want you guys to understand this. The market is very overbought right now. Is very expensive. And overall, I would say the stocks in overall are actually very expensive right now. So we could expect a massive correction. Okay, something will happen. Something will happen in the planet. Could be in China again, or United States. I don't know. Something's going to happen. Coincidentally, will happen, which is when the market is going to crash. All right. Remember this. What I'm telling you. Market could continue dropping, and we'll try to get close. Well, I don't know. Let's say it will do something like that, right? It will try to get close to the 50 SMA. Most likely, this 50 SMA will continue pushing up, but in a certain way like that, something like that, right? And the market will try to get close, perhaps somewhere around here, and we can get another huge buy for swinging, swing trading. All right. So I don't know. That double top right there on a 4 hour time frame is telling me something. Definitely telling me something. I don't want you guys to just then watch, then just be like, oh my God, why is the market crashing? There you go. You have that information. The market is telling you what could possibly be happening. This thing could even continue pushing up, do like a third touch right there. This is a very strong support resistance at the moment. Even you can take that as a nice supply zone right there. You see the market reacted very strong to the downside. So you can take that as a supply zone. If right here the market reached the zone, created that drop, massive drop right there. A lot of sellers into control. Push back up again to test that demand zone right there, supply zone. I'm sorry, and then immediately dropping. So we have a lot of confluences right here. The market is telling us right there that might drop. Okay, I'm not telling you, hey, go into a sell right now. Um, well, you're not too far away. Like to be honest, if you want to make this entry somewhere around, like by the breakout of the trend, let's say you were on a 1 hour. Normally on the breakout like that, you see only one candle broke, so you could have made the entry on the close of that candle. Stop loss, let's say above that. Let's try to do that. I will leave it like that, and I'll see how far we can go. Let's say 1 to 2 risk to reward. All right. I'm going to leave it there. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow. By the way, I'm not sure if I'm going to be posting tomorrow a video. My wife is going to deliver tomorrow, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be here, guys. But let's say maybe between tomorrow and Friday. All right. With this particular analysis on the S&P 500, let's go ahead and take a look right quick into Nasdaq. Nasdaq didn't want it to go down, actually went up. But look what's happening again. I want you guys to pay attention exactly to what I'm going to tell you. Let me clean this. It's a 1 hour time frame. We are on a nice up channel right here. It could be a bearish flag, right? This is the push. You got the formation. It could be a nice bearish flag. This could mean nothing. This could still continue pushing up. But look right here. This is a nice, I will write it down right there. Supply zone. Okay. You see that rejection immediately right there. The market did reach again for how many times has touched this? One, well, right here it broke, but one, two, three, four. Now, fifth time touching. This is a very strong resistance right here. Plus, we are like kind of like inside this thing, this channel right there. It's a big, big channel, right? Let me stretch it out because we cannot miss this. All right, so this is definitely a channel, right? You have that supply zone. Why is a supply zone? Look at here in the past. You see this big ass candle right there, and then continuation to the downside, very strong. Right here, a lot of this is not us moving the market. This is banks. This is institutions, right? So it is a support. You're seeing multiple things right here. You're seeing a resistance. I'm sorry. You're seeing the resistance plus you're seeing that big ass supply zone. Okay, somewhere around here is when the sellers got in control. So where are we right now? The market is reaching the zone again. It touched the support, the resistance. You saw that rejection right there. So a lot of sellers they want to get in control right now. They're not doing it now because it's a little too late. You know, we are in Asian session. We're about to enter Asian session. So market is not going to be moving that much, right? So I want you to see that. What do you guys think is going to happen with Nasdaq? This is very expensive as well. Let's go on a daily. Again, let's open the 50 SMA just to have an idea how far we are from the 50 SMA. We're very far away, right? So again, same thing. I'm going to draw it again so you will understand. The market could potentially be doing this, rah, 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 continuation to the upside. The market, I'm sorry, that's the 50 SMA. So the market could come back down, right? Try to reach this zone, right? Reaching the 50 SMA plus the previous high, right? And then perhaps it could start pushing up, right? Later on. So I want you guys to see that whenever the market is dropped, look at that massive push. There's no pullback until, like, there's no pullback yet. You might think that this is the pullback, but no. The market could actually be doing another double top right here on the daily on Nasdaq. It could be doing the double top before actually melts down. You saw that already on S&P 500, the double top is already formed. This one is it may not be formed yet, but I think it's about to come. This is definitely about to come. Let me show the Fibonacci. Everything is pointing to the market, could actually complete the pullback by reaching the 38.20, which is somewhere around this zone. Okay. Again, I will leave this thing here. I want you guys to let's see. I will leave that line there. I will try to leave that line if I remember to leave it in there. So right now you have that nice channel to the upside. If you want to go into a sale right now, I don't want you guys to just make a sale right there just because, right? Because you see in that rejection right there is kind of I don't know, kind of risky right there. Okay, you may have a nice risk to reward ratio right there. It's a nice zone for actually sellers. Okay, banks right here they might actually be selling at this point. Institutions might actually be getting in control right here. Let's see what's going to happen tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is reversal Thursday. Let's see if this thing is going to actually like melt down completely or not. But it's a nice position. If you want to go the safer way, the safest way, just wait for the breakout. Wait for the breakout. I know the stop loss is going to be a lot far away, but you can maybe put it somewhere around here, and then aim. You can aim the take profit, the final take profit to this one, which is kind of what would say ambitious, but remember to take profit somewhere around this zone, at least securing profits around this area. That's all I can say. That will be all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching. Leave your comments below if you want to see more, videos like this every single day. Follow me on Telegram if you want to see the analysis that I post every day in there as well. See you guys in the next episode. Take it easy, guys.